Hey guys, it's Dirt Bike Lifestyle, and today I'm gonna be interviewing a random dog that I found, and I just named him Tommy because that was the only name I could think of from the top of my head. So I'm gonna interview this dog, and you guys are gonna see him. Okay. All right, Tommy, are you excited to see me today? Are you excited? Are you excited? I guess he licked my hand, so that's a yes. Okay, so Tommy, tell me a little bit more about yourself while you jump on me like a little maniac. Ah! Tell me a little bit more about yourself while you jump around me like a little maniac. Okay, everybody, I understand dog language. So he said that being on a farm is cool, and he just asked, am I going to be on YouTube? It's the algorithm that decides that, not me. Say hi to the camera, Tommy. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, you can say hi to me instead. What else do you have for the world? You're not going to let me get up after this session? How? I have to get up. This is Tommy's fluffer buffle. Hey, you're smacking the camera, bro. Tommy, what else do you have for the world? He says that world peace has to be a thing in 2030, or he's going to bomb this whole place up. Okay, do you have anything else for the world? That's it? Okay. So, huh? I'm taking a picture of Tommy. Okay, Tommy, are you done? You're done now? Okay. This has been an interview with a random dog that I found on the street named Tommy in Kenya. Bye!